Hey everyone, this is Chris Legrand. I'm going to quickly go through my Adobe Captivate project. Not a very easy one, but we're going to go ahead and go through it regardless. And so you'll see on this very first page, um, one thing I do want to show you is that for the audio, because of the screencast, it's not going to allow the sound to come through. So I did record it so you can see it pretty much at the same time. So for this one, you'll see it has a 3D video effect along with audio intro. So with that, I have the next page, which has some narration in it, and I have the ARM introductory series, and it has the next button as well. Not sure why it's so big, but that jumps you over to the next page, which is also going to show some content, and it has images for this particular slide. If you scroll down here to the timeline, you will see I have narration here for the slide, as well as the image, of course. Takes you down to the next slide here. Going to bring you over a little bit. On the next couple of slides, I entered some interactions for my content. So if you were to go over the interactions here and click Learning Interaction, you have some templates that you can use and fill in. So I use the accordion and the tabs. And so to kind of give you an example of how it works, if I were to go here and bring up my project from this particular slide, you'll be able to see what I've already set up. So if I click scope, it gives the information about that, controls and process, it gives you some details there as well. And then you'll also see an image at the bottom before you proceed to the next page where it has something similar, and an additional image at the bottom there. And then on this one, I use the accordion, so it's a different effect, but same type of idea where you're able to get that information. As you proceed, here's another video that I have set. No audio for, well, there is audio for that one, and it just basically says here comes an opportunity for you to have some learning assessments take place, which we have the true false here. You can see there is no difference between internal and external audit areas. If I hit true and hit submit, it's going to say that's incorrect. So it gives me another opportunity. And then you also have multiple choice that you can choose from. And then I have a short fill in the blank, what does ARM stand for, which is Audit and Risk Management. Once I complete those successfully, it gives me my quiz results, and I continue on to the next page, which gives the credits, the images, and video of where I received that information. So that's going to show you the slides, the images, the videos, buttons with interactions, the 3 different types of quizzes, and the credits. So that was my Adobe Captivate project. Still a work in progress, which I will continue myself and just learning some of the different options available. But I did want to give you that bit of a viewing. Thank you.